Assalamu alaikum guys. Today we discuss how flight paths shows global conflict. You can see that Afghanistan airspace. You can see no flights are going through Afghanistan. So flights from India, Pakistan, and South Asia will take longer routes to go to Europe, and hence more fuel consuming. So that shows the flight paths shows the global conflict that's going in Afghanistan, and a flight will take longer routes to go to Europe. Next, you can see Tibet. You can see flight paths, and flights are not going through Tibet or using Tibet airspace. Flights are going around Tibet airspace, so we'll have to consume a lot of fuel and longer routes. So that shows the global conflict in the world. Flight will take longer routes, and hence more fuel to consume. And next, you can see North Korea. You can see that no flights are going through North Korea, and north of North Korea this also the space is empty, so flights will have to take longer routes, and you know will take more fuel, more time consuming. So these flight paths shows global conflict. Next, you can see that no flights are going through Syria, and hence Lebanon. You can see Yemen is also airspace is empty. So these flight paths shows the conflict in the world. You can see Algeria, Libya, Chad. No flights are going through these airspaces, and hence flights coming from Europe will have to take longer routes to reach South Africa, Zimbabwe, and most of the regions that people like to travel. And next, you can see that North America. North America usually have no conflicts there, so the path of the flights is as usual there. And next, you can see America and Canada. You can see north of Canada because of the climate, and that's why no flights are going through that area. Next, you can see the Ukraine and Russia war. So flights going from South Asia to Europe will have to take longer routes because of the conflict going between Russia and Ukraine. So flight paths basically shows the global conflict in the world. Thank you for watching my channel. Please do like and subscribe. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.